So, I've been waiting all day. On Friday, I ordered my replacement LED pack. This comes with 100 LEDs, different colors, red, blue, green, yellow, and clear, and two different sizes, 3mm and 5mm. I'm going to bust out my solder, and I'm going to start working on repairing that 2005 original Trilogy collection Millennium Falcon laser. Here she is. I haven't screwed her back in, so it'll be easy enough to just... There's a cardboard insert. And as you can see, the electronics suite is in great condition. There was a little bit of corrosion on the battery compartment, but I already cleaned that up. And as you can see, that's the old leads from the original LED that was in there. This is the original LED. And I'm going to go ahead and replace this one while I'm at it. It still works, but what I want to do is do a little customizing and change the red LEDs to yellow. And then we're going to see how that comes out. I can always, if I don't like the yellow, switch it out with the original red or just put a different color entirely. So here's my soldering iron. I got her warming up right now. And there's my solder. Now, I'm not going to actually show video of me doing the solder because I don't really have anything to hold the camera while I do it. So just bear with me, and shortly I should have a new LED making its new home there. So I got it assembled. Basically, what you're looking at is the new LED 5mm in the housing. And before I lock her back up, I think that yellow looks pretty goddamn good. We're going to have a quick look after I put her back together. Well, I've got her put back together, and let's see. Oh, that looks so cool. Let's see what we got over here. So, yeah, she's coming along. I am expecting the bulk of all the parts that I ordered to refit her Tuesday at the latest, I hope, because I can't wait to get this thing back together. Then I'll do a final video getting the parts in, and if you like what you see, put a comment, and you know all that other stuff. I'll catch you kids on the flip side.